Hi ETT squad, we're here at the Grand Floridian and we're going to take a tour of the brand new DVC rooms in one of the buildings that's going to be opening up. We're going to go check them out, we're going to show you. First we're going to go to the Enchanted Rose to have a special DVC drink, so let's check it out. Let's go. Enchanted Rose, I'm going to have my castle first. Let's go. Special drink?
Yes, we do. We have our elderflower limonada.
Oh,
Full cocktail, great. I'm going to start you off with a little bit of amaretto. The cocktail itself has a little bit of ginger beer lemonade, our elderflower syrup as well too. Then we'll top it all off with some champagne.
Hey, John. Hey, John.
How's your day been?
Good. Nice so far.
Where are we visiting from?
We live locally.
Mr. John?
Oh, great!
John? John? Yeah.
Yes,
Oh,
that's
hi.
us.
How you doing?
How are you?
Yes. Awesome.
I said they're going to enjoy their beverage before.
Here you are. Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
Cheers. Welcome home, ETT squad. Oh, wow. Look. Oh, my God.
Look at the bathroom.
This is just unbelievable.
Look at the mirror in the bathroom.
Look at the mirror. Look at this, sweetie. How beautiful. With all the marble. Big. Actually, I like the way they have this door. Look at the
picture
door.
frame. You saw the picture frame, guys?
Oh, the picture frame. Look at how pretty. And this is a shower and the toilet. I like the shower head. You saw the shower head? Look at this vanity. Sweetie, just come over here. Come on, just really quick. I gotta show ETT squad everything.
Excuse me.
Look at this. Look at this. You can put your makeup in. It's not like a little vanity. It's a big vanity. Cheers. This is nice.
So this
wow.
is not going to be.
Love
like
the
other
colors,
DVC.
velvet.
Meaning,
It doesn't look the same.
it is different. It is
So
different.
You know Disney always does that. They always make gorgeous hotel resorts,
And on the
different
point chart,
rooms.
you're going to see a different category for this one, even though it's the same point amount of the other ones, but this one has a different category. This one does have a theme park view, so if you pick that, you will see the fireworks guaranteed.
Is it sold in the same year or is this new?
No, it is combined with us, so it's going to be one.
Okay.
It's not 50 years from today.
Gotcha.
This is unbelievable. I mean, you guys.
And by the way,
they
some
keep-
rooms, not all of them, but some will have connecting rooms. So if you bring somebody you want to be connecting,
So you're gonna have a big party.
you can request it. Yes.
Listen, you guys. The rooms keep improving, nicer and nicer over
Isn't this
time.
pretty?
The furniture.
Look at the closet.
The headboards. Look at the headboards.
Look at the
with
lamps. You
lights.
check out the lamps.
The velvet.
Look at the birds.
Yes.
You saw the birds?
Oh no way! Look at that.
See that?
What
You
is
gotta
it?
get that.
You didn't notice
Like
that.
Mary Poppins.
Yes. The birds.
The birds. But just the beds, I love all the headboard, the
the
hellboards.
lamp.
It's like you gave us good ideas of lamps.
Look at this closet.
Look at the way they did the little. I like the way they did that.
Isn't
Look
this
at
beautiful?
this. It's like a armoire.
It's crazy.
They made it like an armoire. Look at this. How
Oh, I
gorgeous.
didn't know this. It has a mirror here.
And it has a mirror. And then the robes. Oh, and they have the popular, of course, when you stay at the Grand Floridian, you always get your Grand Floridian slippers. Make you feel like a princess and a prince. Oh, so
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, by the way, this is but it's different. So you actually bend it this way, you take this out, or you bend this, I don't think you take it out, it stays there. You bend it this way, and becomes a bed.
Oh, cool. The way they do it. Yeah, you take the pillows out. That's neat.
Take that out real quick.
Yeah, I'll take that out.
I've never done this.
No, I know. These are always wrong. Oh, so it comes out like a single? Oh, no,
Oh,
it has.
how cool.
How cool.
And it's a bed.
Yeah, because some of the rooms have the single
What's it-
under the
so is it-
vanity.
Is it a single and a double or just a single?
I think it's just a single.
Probably a single if it's
Yeah,
just
because
two-
you fit only one.
And
No,
then you
it's
have the two
you gotta
beds.
slip this way. This
Yeah.
way. See that?
Mm-hmm.
It's actually comfortable too. It's not a horrible
Yeah.
Cozy.
sofa bed.
And I love all the art. Look at the art. The art. With Mary Poppins, I love this. So pretty. I love the lamp. The lamp is special.
Isn't it? Right?
With
Oh,
the little birds.
can you find the hidden Mickey there?
Okay.
Right
Yes,
in the
I
middle?
see it.
Right in
Yes.
the middle?
Right in the middle.
I love,
So
I
nice
love
and
this
the-
view. Look at that.
Oh, the monorail view. The monorail view.
I love that.
I love that. We walked the whole path from Magic Kingdom to, because it's nice to walk when it's nice weather.
Uh-huh.
From Magic Kingdom to Grand Floridian, it's so nice.
Good size
It's so
balcony
relaxing
too.
too. We have like a lot of secrets that the other tourists wouldn't know. Look at this, how nice. And our beautiful oak trees here in Florida. Oh, that's actually a cypress tree.
What a beautiful view with the tree there in the
I
lake.
know,
and
it
the
is.
monorail.
Oh,
It's
just
perfect.
watching the monorail go by every time. Jeez. What a vacation, right? I like the way they did the carpet. Look at the way they did the rug instead of doing a one. Let me show the carpet. Look at they have the wood floors, the way they have, what do you call this? Elbow? What's the name of it?
Herringbone.
Herringbone. And then the way they did the carpet. And then of course the one.
And you saw the wallpaper here, how beautiful it is?
Oh yeah, they have like a
Oh,
little
wow.
area for your coffee. How
Mary
beautiful.
Huh?
Show all
That's
that
beautiful.
top part.
Look at
It's
this.
So pretty.
And your
Little refrigerator.
fridge is there.
Nice. So much detail. Look, you have plenty of room to put your clothes in. Look how deep the drawers are. They aren't the little drawers in some of the resorts, but this is huge. I love this vanity. That makes for a good thumbnail. Actually, get it for a thumbnail.
Just make sure we don't get too close to the horses, please.
Okay. 3-bedroom. Oh, I love this.
Look at the entrance. Look
Just
at
the
the wall.
entrance.
Good wallpaper.
Look at the wallpaper. Just there's so much detail. Look at the dining room table and the
No.
family room.
I'm on the flooring right now. You missed
I
the
know, the
flooring.
floors
Now
are
the rooms we
gorgeous.
converted it into offices because there's families there. This is a pull-up bed.
Just a dining room. How many guests would you have?
I know, right?
And then the view. Turn around. Look at
Yeah.
the view.
You saw the ceiling?
Yeah, even the ceiling. Oh yeah. Good thing is that when we have this is a nice kitchen. Oh, they even have the sink. They have the sink like we have the same sink in our kitchen.
Farmer sink.
Farmer's sink. I love the farmer's sink. You never go back once you have a farmer's sink. It's a nice, beautiful kitchen. Yeah, so this suite includes a media room. Look at how cozy with your flat screen, the view, I was gonna say the ocean, the lake. So I hope you enjoyed the tour, ATT Spa. We had a good time, and it's so gorgeous out here. We love Grand Floridian. Love you guys. So the room that we showed you, the studio, the building behind me on the side, Pine Key, that's the one that they're gonna have all the studios. They're gonna convert all to the studios. So just studios. There's no one bedrooms. Just studios, but you saw the studio. It's gorgeous, isn't it? I love the furniture, a lot of room, the bathroom is big, so much detail, especially that light. Oh, it's so nice. I love the Grand Floridian. But can you imagine staying at the Grand Californian Resort and then coming back here, which we're locally, and staying at the Grand Floridian, both grand? Oh wow, that'd be awesome, especially with club level. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below. The new building, right? Right there, that building, where they're gonna do the whole renovation.